In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to fix Starbucks birthday reward not showing up. So if you're currently facing that exact issue, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do first is to just go into your Starbucks app, and now you should be taken to this page right here. So you need to come to the home page right here. If you're currently not on this page, just click on home in the bottom left corner, and then you should be taken here. So on this page, what you're going to do is to locate the profile symbol in the top right corner. So click on your profile symbol, because then you should be taken to this page right here. So what you're going to do now on this page is to just scroll down, and then we're going to click on help. And here, as you can see, so click help on this page, and then you're going to search like this: birthday rewards. Search for birthday rewards, and then click on search all results, as you can see, and then you should be taken to this page. Now, as you can see, you get to this page right here. So scroll all the way down in here, and as you can see where it says need to get in touch, you can either now click on chat with us, give us a call, or send us a message. So I would actually recommend you to either call them or click on chat with us, because what will happen then is that you will now be able to go get in contact with their customer support, because they are the only ones that can verify your account, and they are the ones that can actually help you to fix if birthday rewards for some reason is not showing up on your account. So you need to basically just click on chat with us or give us a call. That's the best way in my opinion, because you will be able to get help fast, and they will be able to actually fix this issue for you.